Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about complementary and supplementary angles. If two angles whose sum is 90 degrees, then those angles are called complementary angles. For example, 70 degrees and 20 degrees are complementary angles because if you add 70 plus 20, then it is 90 degrees. So these two angles are called complementary angles. If you observe this figure, 80 degrees and 10 degrees, these two angles if you add, then we will get 90 degrees. So these two angles also complementary angles. So if an angle be x degrees, then complementary angle of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. So x degrees comma 90 minus x are complementary angles, or complement of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. Now see this example. Find the complement of an angle 35 degrees. Let the angle be x degrees, that is 35 degrees. So complement of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. So 90 minus 35, that is 55 degrees. So complement of angle 35 is 55 degrees. This is another example. If an angle is twice its complement, find the angle. So let the angle be x degrees, then complement of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. So here the angle is twice its complement. So x is equal to 2 times 90 minus x. So x is equal to 2 into 90, that is 180 minus 2x. So 2x plus x is 3x. 3x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degrees. So that the angle which is twice its complement is 60 degrees. This is another example. Find an angle which is complement of itself. So let the angle is x degrees, then complement of x degrees is 90 minus x. So here the angle is complement of itself. So x degrees is equal to 90 minus x. So x plus x is equal to 90 degrees, then 2x is equal to 90 degrees, then x is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is the angle which is complement of itself. We can check 45 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Now I am going to tell about supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. For example, 120 degrees and 60 degrees, if you add these two angles, we will get 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary angles. And 105 degrees and 75 degrees, if you add these two angles, then we will get 180 degrees. So these two angles are also supplementary angles. So let an angle be x degrees, then supplementary angle of x degrees is equal to 180 minus x degrees. So x degrees comma 180 minus x are supplementary angles. This question was asked in CBSE 2010 exam. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 2:7, find the angles. So here the ratio of supplementary angles is 2:7. So let the supplementary angles be 2x, 7x. We know that the sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. So 2x plus 7x is equal to 180 degrees. Then 9x is equal to 180 degrees. Then x is equal to 180 by 9, that is 20 degrees. So the angles here are 2x, 7x. So 2 into 20, 7 into 20, those are 40 degrees and 140 degrees. If you add these two angles, then we will get 180 degrees. This is another problem. What angle is equal to its supplement? So let the angle be x degrees, then supplementary angle of x degrees is 180 minus x. So here the angle is equal to its supplement. So x is equal to 180 minus x. So 2x is equal to 180, then x is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle equal to its supplement is 90 degrees. We can check 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Now please do these questions.